my name is Yuching Chung. I work for Widow School and Studio as a Mandarin teacher to 3rd to 5th grade and home teacher to 5th grade students. Today, I would like to introduce a screen recording tool called Loom that I use for read aloud, grammar instructions, and new online tool introductions. I have tried other screen recording before and I found Loom is the most user-friendly so far. Here's the URL, loom.com, loom.com, Loom. So now, first of all, you would like to get a free account. And you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Outlook. I'm going to try sign up with Google. So here's the privacy policy. I'm going to go through quickly and then I agree. I'm going to check. I will be using Loom as a teacher. Hit continue. And here I strongly recommend you download the desktop app as it's much more stable. So I'm going to hit install app and I'm going to continue. So once you're here, you're going to hit new video and you have the options here to choose. You either want to record only the screen or a screen with the camera. Most of the time I choose to record both the screen and myself, just like now, because I know my students will find it reassuring during this uncertain time. If you teach high school and you feel that your students are mature enough and that you can just go ahead and record screen only. So now I'm going to show you how I make my read aloud or grammar instruction videos. I found it's very helpful if you have a PowerPoint slide ready to go. So I will insert pictures from the physical book that I want to read and record directly from the PPT. So I'm gonna just try really quick, insert a picture. Apologize for that. I wanna record, I wanna insert from my device. So I'm gonna insert this picture that I took from the physical book. And then when you are ready, you can start recording and pause, just like now I'm recording, but I can pause here. And if I'm done with the video, if I finish recording, I can go back to Loom and I'll show you. I will be able to copy and paste the link that I already have on website. For example, I'm just gonna sign in quickly here to show you the video I already have. So here is the video I made earlier today, and then it's still uploading. But let's try, for example, this video I made, and there's a link here. So you can copy and paste this link to share with your team, with your students, or paste on any school website that you use. Now, as for online tool instruction, you can open any web page just like this and record your instruction while you move your cursor. For example, my students and I worked on individualized projects for UN Sustainable Development Goals. And one of the components in their presentations I want them to have is to build this bilingual online word cloud. So they can see in my video, I'm moving my cursor and this drop down menu as well. I also made an instruction tutorial video for using Padlet for literature discussion. So this is perfect for your live discussion in class online. I know this tutorial video is not about word cloud or Padlet, but I just want to point out these two websites will show Chinese characters and Spanish letters without any problems. So I hope this short tutorial video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Yuching, CHUNGYUCHING 0824 @gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.